Okay, today we'll be installing a new battery in Mercedes C180 W204. Okay, today we're going to be showing you the procedure of battery replacement, the main battery replacement for Mercedes C180. This is a 2014 model, the end model. After that, there was a change in the shape. So this is a W204 model, and we are changing the battery. The original Mercedes battery is already installed over here, but we did not have it in our country, so we will be changing it with certified Voltra one. So this is the battery that we are doing the replacement with. This is the Vata 80 ampere battery, AGM technology. You have to have AGM technology battery for C180, especially for the variant I have. C180 is a 1.6 liter turbocharged car, so be careful about that, and just keep going with simple method of changing the battery, and then you have to recalibrate it via the scanner. So just see the procedure and enjoy.
ठीक हाँ नॉइज लिखी ऊपर
चुको एनजी चुको एनजी
ऐसे ना तार कितने आंदी कितने इतने नहीं आनी चाहिए नहीं आ रहे
चुको
जो करनी पैना नहीं ना आंदी के ना अच्छा भी आंदी है
इस तरह की नहीं
ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਆਂਦੀ ਪਈ ਉੱਥੇ
ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ
ਤਾਂ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਨਾ
ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਚਲ
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਫੜ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੱਥ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਉਹ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਵੜ ਗਈ
ਛੱਡ ਦੇ
ਉਹ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਪਿਆ ਉਹ ਗੱਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੇਪਰ ਲਾ ਦੋ ਗੱਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੇਪਰ ਲਾ ਆਹ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਰਡ ਵੀ ਫਸਾਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਪੇਪਰ ਲਾ ਲਾ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਲਾ ਆਪਣਾ
बेटा सिलिकॉन स्प्रे लाना
लगेगा
हाँ ओके
चाबी दे
चाबी अंदर ही कड़ी में
अंदर ही क्या भाई
CR123 है ये हाँ
क्या हो गया 180
180 है
एक मिनट
खिड़की खोल रहा
हाँ जी
Okay, over here you can see that he has just installed the scanner via the OBD port on the Mercedes, and he's just scanning for any errors or any problems that he can find. He's going to give a good scan through, and once he's done with it, if there are any errors, he's try to clear it. But once done, you're good to go, and you're ready to enjoy your new battery. Okay, so I'm now posting the picture of the original battery I took out of the car. It was also of the Varta company. So original Mercedes battery is of Varta, and you can see that the amperage, everything on it, and it has to be the AGM thing. So he's just about to plug in the scanner. So these are the picture of the old battery I took out. So that was Varta also. संडे को लेके जाया करेंगे बाहर, और क्या हो सकता है। इस गाड़ी का मसला है, हर चीज़ बैटरी पे तो होती है इसकी। इसकी और भी बैटरी पीछे। Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you is that the Mercedes needs at least 12 kilometer of running at least a week to keep its battery charged. If you start the car at your home and it's parked, it will not charge. So you have to drive the car at least 12 kilometers in a week to make the battery charge. So this is something that you should be knowing, and I think it's going to help you a lot. And this is an excellent replacement battery. The Varta battery is a very good replacement battery if you can't find the original Mercedes one. So this is the procedure. I hope you like it.
बड़ा अच्छा चार्जर है, करने से ना 8-9 गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर देता है, इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी को भी।